Why isn't anyone talking about this? Does activated charcoal in facial cleansers really deliver results? Every time I stroll down the skincare aisle of any supermarket, I'm bombarded with plethora of skincare products containing activated charcoal. Face wash, face masks, pore strips, soaps, screaming at me.
I promise to cleanse your pores, treat acne, and purify the skin. You need to buy me.
But do these claims hold true or are they merely marketing gimmicks? Let's delve into the reality behind activated charcoal in skincare. I'm your pharmacist next door, and I help you live best of your life, helping you make informed health decisions. So, what exactly is activated charcoal, and how does it differ from the charcoal that we encounter in our daily lives? Well, charcoal is activated by chemically oxidizing it to make it porous, which enables it to absorb toxins. This property is utilized in medical settings for treating poisoning, medication overdose, and intoxication. Similarly, in cosmetics, it's hypothesized to trap toxins and impurities from your skin surface, thus serving as skin purifier, exfoliant, and even an anti-aging agent. While these claims sound enticing, what does science have to say? The reality is, despite the promising claims, there's insufficient evidence to fully support the purported benefits of activated charcoal in skincare. Therefore, its actual efficacy remains uncertain. Another concern is it safe to use since it is considered to be natural? This is a significant psychological trap we must break free from. Just because something's natural doesn't guarantee its safety. While activated charcoal itself is known to cause any harm, special caution is advised with charcoal peel-off masks. These can lead to serious skin peeling, resulting in lasting damage such as scarring and infection. In short, they simply don't deliver on their promises. Rather than investing in these dubious products, consider consulting a dermatologist. They can prescribe you products containing actives such as glycolic acid, salicylic acid, vitamin C, retinol, tailored to your specific skin conditions. The skincare industry is vast and competitive, making it easy to fall for these persuasive claims, which might not always be true. Before splurging on anything uncertain, seek guidance from a dermatologist or pharmacist. Share this video to your friends who's always pulling black charcoal masks against their facial skin, expecting it to extract blackheads and whiteheads out. Hey, wait! Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more health-related content and like and comment on my video. See you next time.